Thank you so much. I want to thank my mom.
I thought it was poo. Well, let's go for a bit of inside. Oh, Charles, go around the outside. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Ooh. Oh my god, that light is so bright without the camera over it. Oh, morning everyone. It's 7:45 I think, or maybe 8 now, because I think we laid in bed for about 15 minutes. But today we're going riding. We're going motocross. And Eva is gonna ride too, because we managed to get her some boots and some kit, and I need to get this light out of my eye. Wow. Hang on. Let's is she decent? Yes, she's decent. Hang on. Let's turn you around. Eva.
I'm riding today, bitches.
Are you?
Oh wait, I can't swear, can I?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, okay. I'm riding, bitches. I can't wait. Thank you, Anya. I love you. It's been so long. I think it's been like a year. So thank you so much. I want to thank my mom for bringing me up. Thank you, everyone. It's going to be a good day. We are heading to the track. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're packed up and ready to go.
Let's do this.
Oh,
that smells so good.
Closing.
Oh, who is that?
Going down.
No, it's difficult.
Round 4. Door open.
Oh, actually, that's really nice. This is different. What size pants have you got?
So normally I'm a 32 or a 34.
Yeah.
36.
What are we dealing with? Oh,
We are dealing with this.
Let's
I'm
have a
going
look.
to look.
Let's have a look at these beauties. Baggy trousers. Baggy trousers.
Actually, it's not that bad.
Oh no!
I did something in pizza.
He did actually say that they fit really small.
Yeah.
So he did.
Actually,
oh,
no, that's all right.
I forgot that he said that actually.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, that is like.
Sorry. Oh yeah,
That's
they're
alright,
alright.
they're alright.
They're not too baggy.
Yeah. Oh. Hello, ass.
Hello, border. Look that. We just got to the track. This track's called Dodford Turn. I've never even heard of it. Jono said, I'm going to Dodford Turn, are you going to come? And we're like, where the hell is Dodford Turn? So we found it, we're here, and it looks sick! Like, for us. It looks quite cool for like intermediate riders, it looks sick. So we can't wait to get out there now. And it's open session, yes! Because we're late. So, let's go! I think, no, it's not poo. I thought it was poo. Somebody sure? No, maybe it is. You know what? For the first time ever, we're gonna wear the white kit. I've only ever worn it for photo shoots, so. Look at the keg set! How nice is this? I actually managed to get the men's boxes and the top to match because they sold out. If the ones that I wanted, they'd sold out too quick. Everybody wants them. Fly away. Not in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. This is the behind the scenes of me trying to get a shot of my new Torco chain oil, right? I'm trying to get a shot of it, but I forgot my stand.
The things we do for the ground.
Yes! And now I can't hold the camera, so I need a third person.
I can hold the camera.
Here's my new chain loop from Torco Oil. We're gonna try this out. But I can't focus. Hang on, one sec. There we go. Give you a little glance at that. And I saw this technique on TikTok, so we're gonna try this out and see how this goes.
Okay, so I thought I'd do a little shot of the website for you. If you're in the UK, it's Nimbus Motorsports. If you're in America, it's Torco USA. And here's the chain lube that I use. It's only $9.64, so go get some now.
Right, we better get on with this because Eva's just standing like this, just like...
The sessions are going, yeah, don't forget we're supposed to run.
Okay, let's go. I'm dying. I was absolutely dying. Look at it. Look at the damage. Look at the damage she's caused. Oh my god. Have we got some bolts now, Eva? Bolts. We got some bolts, so we're gonna try and get this back on now. Let's do this.
So at first I sprayed chain lube on the swing arm and now you broke the mud guard. Now do you know what?
You broke the mud guard. I'm now fixing it.
Do you know what maintaining a bike means? I don't think so.
Can I have a nuts and bolts sponsor, please?
We need some bolts. Oh, amazing!
I think we're good. Yeah, I think so.
Thank you. Oh,
Do you want? I've got like a Pepsi Max. Do you want a Pepsi Max?
No, all right,
I think you should offer him a beer, not a
I don't
Pepsi
have
Max.
beer. Yeah, but I don't have beer. I only have Pepsi Max. She's good to go again. She's good to go. She's off. She said anything else that's loose. I'm like, I don't really know, to be honest, mate. Off you go. I think I might take it to Redline KTM next week and get him to have a little look over it. Oopsie. Right, me and Ieva have got a race on. This is Dodford Turn. I've never been before today and I absolutely love it. Oh, we're getting powered. We're getting absolutely powered. Let's clean the legs off a bit. How is that? How is the bike?
Battle. Oh, the bike's mint. Obviously something that I'm used to, so it was great to be back on it. But we had good battles. We're sending it, whipping it.
Little bum whip.
Oh, little bum whip.
Amazing.
Look at this.
Charter, I still don't have a battery charger. Where's my battery charger? Yeah, boy, yeah, yeah. Oh, we got charts. Oh, come on, Charter. What you got? A sock?
No, I can't.
Jesus, mate, what are you doing? Oh my God. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Watch this.
Oh yes, Jono. Lovely posture. Oh, Chart's going round the outside. Oh, we've got a battle going on. Jono Jones and Charter. Whoa, look at that bum whip. Woohoo, boys. Lovely look. Oh, he's got him. Oh, yes.
No, but
He's going back. He's going back. Jono's going back for the lead. Jono takes the lead. Charter's in second. Oh, he holds it. Well done, well done. Oh, look at that bum whip. That is lovely. Fabulous piece of racing at Dodford Turn here. I suggest you get down, join in on the action, and we'll see you next time.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Won't you?